My lips are too dry for this right now. Also, hello, good evening. Well, it's night already. I hope everyone's doing well. Okay. Gotta check up DevKit, opt, DevkitPro. Ah, there are examples. And home, Ikxi. There. I know my background looks great. Okay, why can I not? Why can I not move those files? I'm just gonna copy them. VSCode you. For now, I'm just gonna use Yuzu because I do not have. I'm still thinking about hacking my Switch or not. I should not be getting banned if I just do homebrew stuff. Though there's also the chance that I break it myself, and not that it gets bricked by Nintendo. So yeah, that's currently what I'm thinking about. The 3DS folder can go. App controller data? Don't tell me. Where's the include? Include? I think include personnel. No. Huh? Open. It works, but it also tells me the switch.h file is missing. Edit include path settings. But it is there. I can check again. There, DevKit opt, DevkitPro, DevKit A64, include, and lib. Oh. Where is the switch.h? Switch.h. Open file path. DevkitPro libnx include. DevkitPro libnx. Okay. see. Wait, no. libnx contains the switch.h, but libnx including libnx slash lib. Yeah, that should be it then. Reload. Let's see. Yes. Okay, great. No, not great. Please update your include buff SKUs that is able to display. Log cannot open source file sys/log.h dependency of switch.h. Opt DevkitPro log.h. Log.h exists. It's in... Okay. Fun. Okay, then... I'm gonna need to add a couple more things to the include path. How is it? Yes, yes, yes. Stop. Okay. Yeah, this it can find at least. Okay, I'm gonna include that, but then also include. Okay. What? Ah. And then also lib. This should now work, hopefully. But I can hopefully also make advantage of this one. Or what is... Fun. All of these are not found. GPU get time sim, GPU that what call it. Ah, interesting. Anyway, for now it should work. So here again, hi bro. Nice to see you. How are you doing? So that one is sample. Doing well, doing well. Nice, nice. Wait, what file do I need to... Load file. And the NRO file. Okay. Let's see. NSGet application control data failed. Outputs outsize is fun. Okay, I don't have to sneeze. Okay. So this one didn't work. Clean it up again. What is applet? VR mode. Yeah. Controlling, recording, light sensor. Okay. Ooh, so I can... Not this again. Yay. Okay, time to go header hunting again. Okay, what was it? STL H for Linux. STL.h download. Goes into this folder. Oh. Right, okay. Well, I'll just download the whole damn folder. I'm not gonna... Okay, what is it? Main... Because apparently I cannot download all of them at once. SDL, STD, Inc. SDL config. Wait. The memory leak stream? No. Not yet. Currently, I still gotta download all the SDL files. Or, well, for now it's only SDL files. After that it's also gonna be header files and everything else. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. The thing is, there is an SDL main.h. But that one is missing that one. Even though this one is here, but this one is missing that one. And the thing is, the SDL config.h is not available because it's only a config.h.in file. So I'm gonna have fun. temporarily under control. But yeah, memory leaks are gonna be later on. They are gonna come. Okay, the thing is, okay. Just gonna try this. Let's see. God damn it. 7-zip open. Open that one. Just going to include and just copy everything. Yes. Now let's just hope and pray. Huh. And is there config.h? There's a config.h! Yes! Awesome. And now... Oh. Yo. Now I need SDL mixer. Okay, this is from libSDL. I want the binary, PlayStation 2. There's a PlayStation 2 binary. No way my school banned my manga reading site have. Okay. Goddamn. Binary SDL. What the fuck? For some reason, the binary is A386. Well, only one way to find out. Oh, yeah, that worked. That apparently also worked. Lib, yeah. Okay. libSDL, org SDL mixer, releases. Right, there we go. That looks better. Let's put it there. There it is. But not, 7-zip. Nice. Ah. This is so awesome. I see a mixer was not found in the package config. Come on, why? Okay, it's just okay, see. I hope it just works. It should just work, right? No, it doesn't. Ah, God. The package config path after installation, we just have the PC first. We can do this by setting wait, the PC first. Let me check something. SDL mixer. No, there's just a .pc.in, which is just an instruction file. Great. Yeah. Just the instruction file. The build scripts. No, not Xcode. That is a source. Right. This is awesome. I love Linux so much. This is statement result. Probably should probably first.
As the city lights come alive, shadows of the night help me spin my web. Got my target there in my sight. He can run and hide.
Trick is the L headers.
Going in as I make my move, smooth as a jazzy groove, while the music's playing.
Check the make file. And the Arab assist of the. Okay, just.
To all your secrets, your desire.
Okay. Da, 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 da. Awesome.
Got him all caught up in my web. Every word he said, ready for replay. Then I slip and he knew my hand.
Linux is so fun!
To all your secrets, your desires. 今更気づいても too late, 'cause I won't stop. Don't you hide from me.
You're kidding me.
Naturally see it. その辺もしない最後に仕留めるのが my style. It's a sin for now, but it's really mine. Just feeling the line. No matter how far you may run.
Awesome. Look at this shit. Look at this bullshit. How is it messing up like this, even? Like, how even? Kill the terminals. Da, 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 da. Not this one anymore. Just. And that this seems to have basically the same structure also as the 3DS stuff. It's just SDL stuff that's currently bugging out. Okay, open terminal here again. Yeah. Wait. Okay, that's still loading. Okay, now it's annoyed again that there's no SDL files anymore. Okay. Let's see if I just can resolve this from the start. Yo! Look what there is! I'm just thinking, would this maybe be easier on Windows now? Because it might just be. Which drive is it on? Is it on C drive? Yes, it is. Okay, sorry that you can't see anything right now, it's just quite annoying. Okay, to do. What does it say in to do? Oh, that's just what bugs need to be fixed. README. Please distribute a server with the runtime environment, blah blah blah, okay. Yes, okay. More extensive documentation is available in the docs directory starting with free. Awesome. The readme so useless. I'm just gonna take the include, put it here. I can also take the examples folder. Let's try it on Windows. It's definitely not gonna break, right? Like it is here. WSL. Huh? Why is there a disconnect? Do I have to go over the status bar? Eh? Ah, close remote connection. Okay, yes, open this folder. Yes, yes, I trust offer. Audio, STL audio, source. Awesome. Edit include path. Right, open. Unable to open, unable to read. Okay. Edit with Notepad Plus. Right, right, that's not. Okay, how do I? Good. Oh well, I could just give it a path as an example. God. Okay. Great. And lib, and which other ones were it? Right, that one. It's just empty. Lib and X. Was it right? Hey! Wait, what? Okay, I was... Oh god. Are you for real? Arm able to... The CRC found arm. How? DevkitPro arm underscore Akil. Why the It's there! Are you for real? Wait, what is... Oh, Windows Explorer, why are you so bad? Okay, oh no. This is... So inside DevKit A64 then... Wait, isn't DevKit A64 part of it? DevKit A64 lib. Yes. That's all now? God, I hope so. Wait, why did it not... And now it didn't save the extra... Whatever. No, it's the SDL mixer.h. But at the same time, it's probably also yes. Okay. Let's close that. Close that. Okay. SDL mixer. That's up. Well, I could just do that for now. Go in here and look for anything with .pc. Nothing. Those that include SDL.h. It is there! SDL.h exists! Oh my god. It's like, look here. Look at all these SDL files. Ah, there's the one. It's all here. This file has no errors. Okay. Let's see, no, I need to find another like Explorer program because like Windows Explorer is just crap. So you now exist here. Please tell me I have all of these. Yeah, okay. Is this somewhere here? Package. see. No. Wait, did it? What did it change here? Wait, what? Why did it get rid of export? Oh, yeah. Huh? This is the only line it added then. Mute that. Okay.
And go to download, go to SDL releases. You want the development libraries. Just select the Minji, the view one. So just select that, click that, and there we go. It's downloaded. I've already got it downloaded. It's pretty small. Anyway, the next thing you will technically need is Visual Studio Code. If you already have it installed, fantastic, then you can skip this step. If you don't, just go to this website, again, link in the description, click the download button, and then just install it. It's just a pretty simple installation, process. Just click that, install Visual Studio Code. Next, what we will need is, you can use any sort of extracting tool for this really, but I want to use 7-zip, you can use WinRAR, a bunch of others as well. You can extract this file, you can use command prompt. I know people use the command prompt as well, so but I'll use 7-zip, so click that. Select one of these. So if you're on 32-bit, you can find out by going to your computer. Go to computer, system properties, and here we go right here. Say 64-bit operating system, you are on a 64-bit OS, therefore you can use the 64-bit or 32-bit binaries, libraries. If you say 32-bit, you have to use 32-bit. Okie dokie, so
And which side is he? That one. Okay then. This.
the view one, so just select that, click that, and there we go. It's downloaded.
Wait, why does he download the tar.gz? That should be the same, right? Like, I'm just this close to just downloading the source code.
Already got downloaded. If you say, so I could use Eva, I'll grab this one, open it up. Yes, and I'm going to install that. So software 7, it's already detected that directory because I've already got it installed, and that's it. So yeah, we got that. Go ahead first of all and extract our SDL. I've already got it, so I'll delete that. Right click, go to 7-zip, go to extract to. If the 7-zip menu doesn't appear after installing 7-zip, give your computer a reboot. I find sometimes, and that fixes it.
Hmm. Right. I think I don't. Hmm. Oh, that means development. Okay, okay. Wait. Is that in all the release? Oh, that's pre-release. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that one. I don't use a pre-release one. Sure. Whatever.
Okay, so next in here, there's another extractable file, compressed file. For some reason, like two of them. I don't know why, but it's right click, 7-zip, extract to. And in here is where we have all the code files, etc., etc. And this is the 32-bit, this is the 64-bit. So what I'm going to say is, what I recommend is you put this folder, the one that contains all of this, somewhere a bit more. I'm going to say is, what I recommend is you put this folder, the one that contains all of this, somewhere a bit more permanent. First of all, I'm going to rename it to SDL2. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it in the D drive. And
Okay, that's like.
I've got a folder called development. I'll whack it into here. This is like a permanent location. You can have it with your project, so it's a bit more transportable, a bit more portable. Or you can do it this way, and all your projects on your system will share the same library. I might create a separate video on you creating this is an absolute linking using relative linking, so that way you can just take your project wherever. Obviously, the project size is a bit bigger as a result. Okay, so SDL2 right there, and so we have the 32-bit and 64-bit. 32-bit offers maximum compatibility and still allows you to use up to 4 GB RAM. This is over 4 GB RAM and still provides good compatibility to be fair in these days, but this is the most compatible. And now, just open up Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
And now what we're going to do is open folder and go to the desktop. This is where I'm going to create the SDL project folder, and I'm going to create a new folder for the SDL template. Click select folder, and in here we're going to create a new folder by clicking this button, or you can go to file, new.
It's so great.
Okay, not creating a folder for this. I thought you could for some reason. There's not. Well, you just click the plus there and call it SRC, so source. And
Okay.
in here, we're literally going to drop the include and the library file. So include.
Hmm. God. Copy folders.
Are there header files that you include? The library files are basically generated from CPP effectively, if you look at it from a C++ perspective. And we just select both, drag down to the SRC folder, take a moment, and that's it. One more thing that we need to add, but not to the SRC folder, just to the general project, and that is in bin the SDL2.dll. Drag that on. Boom, there we go. We can close that, close that. We're going to create two files now, so right click, new file. First of all, main.cpp. We'll be coding that in a second. And next is a make file, so make file. And this will be used to actually generate the build. So you just put all, colon, press enter. Make sure you press a tab here, because if you don't, it won't work. You actually give you an error. So you put G++, so that's the C++ compiler, dash I. Make sure it is where I have caps or lowercase. Make sure you have the exact same. So this is the include folder. And some people play it like this, src/include. That's fine. It also works if you have a space. I just prefer it this way because it's just a bit more readable. Now you put dash L. And this, you can guess, is for the lib folder that we added. Now we put dash O, which is going to be the output. We're going to create a Ikxi for main. It's going to be created from the main.cpp file. And we're going to just include some extra libraries. So dash L, min gwfa2, dash L, SDL2 main, dash L, SDL2. And there we go. I know we've already got the SDL2 main, and that's it. We can save that.
W2, got, SDL2 main, L2.
And in main.cpp, we're going to code our application up. So I'm going to code up a simple SDL application that opens up a window and we'll be all good to go. So hash include iostream, hash include SDL2/SDL.h. There we go. It's picked up the SDL code files, which is always a good sign. I'm going to put const int width.
Include 2. Okay.
.800 height equals 600, and I'm going to put equal there. And this will just be the size.
Can't just like make it easy and put the code somewhere. No, gotta type it all.
About window. Yeah, if you get like an red here, it says please update your include path. Squiggles are disabled for this translation unit. For some reason, it is moaning. So you can, if you do get squiggles, you can literally just hover over it, click quick fix, and click add to include path. But I find it still works. So it's an error squiggle, but it still actually works. So you can press that. I'll show you that it should still work without it. Now I'm going to put int main. And this is very important with SDL. It does expect you to have an argument count and the argument values as well, so argc and argv. And now we're going to initialize SDL underscore init. Let's just do a quick fix, add that. So now it's actually picked up what we want to type, which is good. So by clicking that, it's sets up the configuration in here. It basically adds this line here and should be all good to go, and it adds this line. Okay, so that should be all good. If you do have that problem, that's the way to fix it. Helps with IntelliSense. And now just put SDL underscore init underscore everything. We're going to initialize every little part of SDL. We're going to create a SDL window, SDL underscore window, call it window, so it's going to be a pointer. And we're just going to do SDL underscore create window. And first of all, we need to specify the actual title of the window. And that is going to be, we're going to say hello SDL world. Next, we need to specify the int x and int y, and that is the position of the window. So we're just going to say undefined. You can define it if you want to. SDL underscore window pos underscore undefined. And we need again for the y initial position. And now it's expecting the width and the height parameters for the window. So we'll just put width that we created above and height. And finally, it is just saying some flags. And one of the flags I'm going to set is SDL underscore window underscore allow high DPI. That's just a higher density displays. Okay, so now we're going to check if
This guy is infuriating to listen to, because, or not infuriating to listen to, but the way he writes this shit.
okay, so now we created above and height.
Okay. Why Firefox?
And finally, it is just saying some flags. And one of the flags I'm going to set is SDL underscore window underscore allow high DPI. That's just a higher density displays. Okay, so now we're going to check if null is equal to window. And if window is null, then something's gone wrong.
Something has gone wrong. Just assume nothing goes wrong. Is it so hard?
and we'll say cout could not create window SDL underscore get error std end line, and there we go, and we'll just return 1 because something got wrong, and anything other than 0 is not good. Now we're going to say SDL underscore event, so this is for event tracking. By clicking the X button, you have to program that sort of stuff in, and any other events like keyboard events as well. Okay, so we're going to call this window event, and I'm going to say while true, and what that means is this while loop is going to keep running until something within the while loop just breaks it. There's no condition in here that's going to break it, because true is always true. So, and the condition right now is going to be if you press the X button. While if SDL underscore poll event, this is a function, you pass in a reference to the window event object that you created, or that we created above. Don't take all the credit, we did it together. And then we're going to say if SDL underscore quit is equal to window event.type, then that means the X button or some quit event has been triggered. I would say break, that means you'll break outside of the while loop. Anything that's one line, I like to put it like so. And now, outside of the while loop, what we're going to say is, so by the time we get to here, the application ending, and we're just going to do some cleanup, so like SDL underscore destroy window, you pass in the window, and do underscore quit. Finally, we're going to say return X.
It somehow feels like I'm just watching an SDL tutorial and not how to just set it up. Which it probably is, and he just labeled it fucking wrong because the guy is an idiot. It's not.
It underscore success. Everything's all good. Save it, and now we can run this file. So to run it, just go to terminal, new terminal, type in make. So every time you do a code change, you'll have to type in make. There we go. It's got the main.exe. You could literally just run it manually via.
Okay. Awesome. Really, really awesome. Okay, let's just do this for now, and what was it? At some point.
Cool there. And this will just be the size of our window. Yeah, if you get like an red here, it says please update your include class. Squiggles are disabled for this translation unit. For some reason, it is moaning.
So now it should not find this anymore, right? It does find it somehow. I know how. If it's just like this, will it work? Okay, VSCode just is weird. Don't ask again. No, no. Okay, why is there now highlighting or like, yeah, this. Okay. It's not working. I just don't.
can, if you do get squiggles, you can literally just hover over it, click quick fix, and click add to include path. But I find it still works. So it's an error squiggle, but it still actually works. So you can press that. I'll show you that it should still work without it. Now we're going to put int main, and this is very important with SDL. It does a value. Now we're going to fix. Let's just do a quick fix. Add that. So now it's actually picked up what we want to type, which is good. So by clicking that, it's sets up the configuration in here. It basically adds.
It's like just. I just don't know why it's so stupid. Hmm. Yeah, no. Hmm. I hate when nothing is working. I didn't even have my. This guy doesn't even have like the okay, the main.cpp in the source folder. I don't know. Okay, let's try clean again. You know? Hmm. Okay.
Hi, welcome to this tutorial. So this video is about how to set up SDL2
This voice already sounds way more reliable.
for the Visual Studio Code on the Windows machine. So let me show you the final outputs. So this is a sample C++ file that is trying to render an image found inside the images folder. right? So I think let me just run a folder. So you will put the folder in your C drive over here. Okay, so this image, right? So this show that SDL2 has been successfully and correctly set up on this machine. Okay, so this is what you do, right? So I will leave all the URL inside the description. So you can download this min.w application file, download this sample C++ project files, okay, and all the content is a folder. So you will two packages you need to install. The first one is install it, and right. So check on this one and install the package. Type environment here, min, right? Okay, Visual Studio Code, open folder, and then go into your SDL window, press select folder. Okay, so most of the thing has been set up for you, and now all you need to do is to go to run, and then choose run without. Oh, okay.
Well, this guy doesn't even know how to put URLs in his thingamajig. Well, let's see. Copy folders. I didn't copy anything awesome.
So it is recommended that you also install. You can search for this extension. It should be the first one from Microsoft, right? So install this. It will give you the IntelliSense and all the useful features. Okay, so once you install that, we can try to run this sample C++ file. Okay, so click on run and choose run without debugging. Okay, and if you are ready to code your own C++ file, so what you can do is you can maybe.
Right, he just did it like this. For real? Okay, what I should try actually, right. Could I gotta try something. I gotta try something. Just delete, yeah. Sure, delete permanently, whatever, I don't care. Huh, okay. Maybe that did something different. I have no clue. So let's go back here. Close that. Okay, all of those are just software keyboard, web, I don't, light sensor, yeah, whatever. All of those are just working, recordings working, screenshot overlay, VR mode, apparently is working, app control. I don't know what that is, echo, Interesting, Opus decoder. Audio, yes. Data. CD, audio, pitch. Probably hardware Opus decoder. Then let me... Because if I don't need SDL, because in the past I've tried SDL and it just doesn't work. Like SDL never wants to work. I don't know why. It's just like that. But if I go... Windows U are also so awesome. Oh god, why is this just like this? Typefont öffnen. Why? Windows. That's just stupid. Oh, now it's showing the right thing. And there are also the package config files that earlier just weren't there for whatever reason. Okay, so DevkitPro port libs switch. Yeah, just put it in here. Nice. So incompatible. Huh? What? Or let's switch include Opus. Wait. The multi-stream that I just there. Are you kidding me? This is just getting ridiculous again. Yeah, the multi-stream that I just there. I'm just loving how stupid this is. I got this set up for the 3DS. Why can I not get it set up again? Why?
My name is Gustavo Pazzi.
So why? Okay, I found another video. Why is the SDL section on installing SDL on Windows 15 minutes long? Oh god.
Right, so let's quickly go to my Windows machine, and then we can start downloading all the dependencies and everything that we need to do to work correctly under a Windows machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go
Enough
to the Visual Studio official page, visualstudio.microsoft.com. So here we have a couple of options, and the one that we want right now is this one, right? And we want the full IDE, the Visual Studio IDE. You can come down here and just select the correct one, which is in our case the community version, because this one is the free version and it has everything that we need to go and compile our project. Just click on this one, wait for it to download, and as you can see down here, I download. It's going to download, install the installation. So it's downloading everything. And here we are. I need you to select this option right here. I want to have desktop develop actual Microsoft Visual Studio installation. Next, finish, and that's. We can go ahead, execute the Visual Studio. And our project is pretty simple. Let's just start an empty project. Click next. Let's just give it a meaningful name. So my project, I'm just going to save the files, and this is my creating my project for me. And here we are. Right, so I have my Visual Studio project right here. I have my solution and my project configuration and file tree on the right. And here's where I can start our project. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here in our source files. I'm going to right click, add new item. I want to select this is going to be a C++ file, but just make sure that we have everything correct. I'm going to call this one main.c, right? Because this one is going to be a basic vanilla C code. So main.c, add. So let's just start adding the code right here. Let's just say include standard value of age and just a basic function signature right here with those parameters. And it's very simple. Return 0 just
This guy's keyboard is so freaking loud.
you will see that here in the console, it's going to say revealed, 1 succeeded, 0 failed, everything looks good. So our Visual C++ compiler is running correctly. And if you just want to write a basic C program, that is enough. But in our case, come with the Visual C, our Visual Studio to correctly go and look in the correct folders of the operating system. Let's come here for a second, let's minimize this window, open again our web browser, and let's visit what we call libsdl.org, which is the official page for the SDL library. What we really want right here is to go to download, so let's select SDL 2.0. And right here we have a couple options. Right? The one is the development libraries, which is separated by operating system. So the one that we really want is this one right for Windows. So do we want the Visual C++ 3264 bits, or do we want the Ninja version? I want the Visual C++ one. Just click this one, download the folder. This is going to be a zip file, so let's just show this folder and minimize everything else. And right here, all I'm going to do is extract this thing. So I can just extract this to this folder. And this right here is the main folder that contains all the important files that I need for SDL to work on my operating system. Right, so this folder right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly come here, rename it to just the SDL2. I'm going to copy this folder, and we need to place this folder with all these important files in a place in our hard drive. Correct? I don't want to just leave it sitting here inside downloads. I want to put in the correct folder in the operating system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go to my C folder, my local disk C, and I'm going to paste it right here. So right here in my C folder, what I have now is I have an SDL2 folder that inside contains all these important files and folders. So I have include, I have lead, I have docs. Here is where my SDL is going to reside. So we have to just go back to Visual Studio, and we have to tell Visual Studio where these files are. Correct? Because if I come here and I just say Visual Studio, I want to include SDL.h. Visual Studio is already complaining, right? It says cannot open source file SDL.h. And Visual Studio.
Okay, so if I would download SDL, it should just give me the PC files like it did with like it got Windows Explorer. Why are you being so shit? Package configs, there's for example opus.pc and opusfile.pc, which I had before, and that worked. But now it's not working anymore, for whatever reason. What is this file? Anyway, let's just, if I make clean, yeah. Why is switch.h not missing? Opus/opus file. I'm just loving this so much. Yeah, this is just Playtone. What is this one even? That becomes some blah 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 magic. Let's see. Okay, I don't. That's just sound effects. Some weird sound effect stuff. What is echo? Example for audio capture and playback. This example continuously records all the data from the default input device. Sensitivity for the. Okay, interesting. Not what I need. I would just love this to work. Let me check again. How do I have it? Here. Don't. Fuck, save it, sure. I don't... No, don't... Okay, don't save. Don't save. Okay, how do I have audio stuff here again? Yeah, it's a BGM. It's an Opus file. Okay. Audio.h is just Opus file. Okay. Ah, awesome. But here it just decides to like not work. Ugh. Or does it now for some reason? Yeah, no. Cool. Why is it incompatible though? Okay, I'll try, one more time, releases 2.28.5. Let's try the VC download. So that's just CMake files, that's just documentation. That's just header files. And that's just DLL and lib files. Where are the PC files? Is what I wanna know. Wait. Slip, that's... Here, let's just put them in there too. Share is nothing. Yeah, bin is also... Let's just see again. I'm feeling so great. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Opus underscore multistream. Okay, the OGG stuff is not there. Wait, is the Opus file? It's because it's in there. There, solved it. So let's look for switch.h again. But would I be able to just... No. Why? Skipping incompatible lib opus file and searching for L opus file. Just 1 moment, I just gotta like delete something. Sonalint, uninstall. Incompatible logg lib opus.a. Why incompatible? DevkitPro lib annex include. See DevkitPro lib annex include. Wait, what? No? Huh? Lib annex slash include. And does it also need lib? Oh, I just don't know. Log.h. Where was that one located? Somewhere really far. Gonna try also downloading this one. Look in here. No, that's just the SDL, of course. There are several log.h files, awesome. But I need a devkit64 one. Yeah, that's ARM, that's PPC. That's... Yeah. The type for öffnen. Right, now that one. God damn it. waiting again. And waiting. Why is it not finding the file? I don't. There, finally. A64. Come on. I know it's there. Wait, what? I don't know. This now? It is the right file. It is in the A64. It's just mocking me. Don't ask again, Sonar Linter. Fuck you and YS Opus files. Download. Windows. I hate it. I hate it so much. Okay. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna come back to this tomorrow. Because currently I can't make heads and tails of it. Okay, sorry for this fucking boring stream. I thought this would actually just, you know, just work. Because I've set it up before. It just works. But no. It never does. Okay, tomorrow, I'm gonna be working the next 3 nights, so there will be earlier streams again. Sorry about that. What the fuck? Why is SCD... What? Okay, yeah, okay. See ya. Holy shit. Bye. This is getting crazy.